In this question, the principal explains to us that a person who hires service for consideration is a consumer. That is, the principal defines a consumer, and service further means the service of any description which is made available to the potential users, and it includes provision of facilities in connection with insurance, banking, transport, processing, etc. Now, deficiency of service has been further defined to include fault, inadequacy, shortcoming in the quality, nature, and the manner of performance as required by law or under a contract. Right. Now, the facts in the present question are: A files an application before a bank for a loan. The bank, after scrutinizing A's application, refuses to sanction the same. A files a complaint before the District Consumer Forum for the deficiency of services. Now, in this question, out of all the four options, the correct option is A. That is, A's complaint will be dismissed. Right? Why? Because A's complaint will be dismissed by the Consumer Forum, because a consumer is someone who hires a service for consideration, as is clear from the principle. Right? Now, over here, what consideration means is that there must be some kind of payment which is made for the service which is to be provided, and the other party, in lieu of that consideration, must and is contractually liable, or let's say is obligated to render the service. Right? Now, over here, from the facts, we get to know that banks usually do not charge anything for receiving loan applications. However, if any fees is payable, it is charged only after the acceptance of the loan application. Right? Now, A cannot be considered as a consumer. Therefore, A cannot be considered as a consumer because a person who hires service for consideration is a consumer. Over here, there has been no consideration. Right? Now, also, even let's think of a situation wherein a bank had charged a fee for accepting the application. The bank could not have been held liable on account of deficiency of service, as clearly it is the discretion of bank to accept or reject a loan application. Right? Making B the correct answer.